So, so I'm be singing, like always, Chris Brown, Don't Judge Me, acapella, you know, where you can hear the music. I don't know that shit. Alright. I don't wanna go there. We should never go there. Why you wanna go there? I guess I gotta go there. You're hearing rumors about me and you can't stomach the thought of someone touching my body when you're so close to my heart. I won't deny what they're saying because most of it is true, but it's all before I fell for you. So please, babe, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. 'Cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. And if you love me, then let it be beautiful. 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 Everything I say right now is gonna be used in another fight. I've been through this so many times. Can we change the subject? You're gonna start asking me questions like, was she attractive? Was she an actress? Maybe the fact is, you're hearing rumors about me and saw some pictures online saying they got you so angry, making you wish you were blind. Before we start talking crazy, say something we'll regret. Can we just slow it down? Brace yourself, you're beautiful, so baby. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. 'Cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. And if you love me, then let it be beautiful. Just let the past... Shit. Sorry I messed up, but yeah, I'm done.